Coronavirus outbreak is now officially a pandemic.
New infections are appearing in new places every day.
Fight coronavirus. Sanitize your hands on the go when needed, regardless of where you are. Introducing Squeezy Band, the on-the-go dispenser that you wear comfortably right on your wrist. Squeeze away viruses and germs with Squeezy Band. Easy to fill and easy to use. Simply apply pressure to dispense and you're all set with hand sanitizer, lotion, or soap right in the palm of your hand. Squeezy Band holds a 15 milliliter compartment with a one-size-fits-all adjustable band. It is available in a variety of colors, including 2 versatile caps for all types of liquids. Your hands are exposed to many germs and pathogens. Now, you can conveniently protect yourself with Squeezy Band, the convenient, durable, sleek wristband dispenser that suits your busy lifestyle. You'll never have to search for sanitizer, lotion, or soap again. Wear it on your wrist with Squeezy Band and dispense what you need when you need it. Squeezy Band on your wrist saves you from those nasty germs. Protect yourself. Just fill, squeeze, use, and be safe on the go. Order yours today.